So we've had JP from Oracle here pretty much all day in the studio doing a lot of upgrades on our two-door Bronco. Here I thought we were done, but yet they brought their own Bronco with another cool new product. JP, tell us about these fog lights.
That's right, Bill. So what we have here are our triple LED fog lights for the modular style bumper. These feature 3 high-powered DOT compliant beams, as well as an 1/8-inch galvanized steel brackets.
So you said you include the wiring to make it almost like a plug-and-play installation, but what if you have the factory upfitter switches and want to use those?
That's correct. These can also be wired into the factory auxiliary switch wiring located in the engine compartment.
Now, are there other options available? They only coming in white, or do you have other options available on these?
We offer these LED emitters in white and yellow.
And again, these are going to be a direct install on only the modular bumper.
Correct. This will only work for the modular bumper.